Ever imagined having a digital version of yourself to represent your business? With HeyGen's moving photo avatar, you can now create a lifelike talking avatar in just a few minutes. Let's see how easy it is to get started. Begin on your HeyGen dashboard. On the left under Assets, click on Avatars. Then select Photo Avatar and hit Create Photo Avatar. This is where the magic begins. You have two options: upload your own image or generate one using a text prompt. For this demo, we'll upload a photo from your computer. Once uploaded, HeyGen's AI will analyze your image to prepare it for avatar creation. One of HeyGen's standout features is the ability to train your own AI model. You can upload up to 20 images of the same person. At least 10 is recommended for best results, but even a few will work. After uploading, specify the gender, age, and ethnicity to help the AI accurately model your character. Click Train Model and let HeyGen do the rest. Now comes the fun part: customization. Use prompts to place your avatar in any scene, outfit, or pose you can imagine. The more reference images you provide, the more consistent your avatar's facial features will be. Experiment with different settings to see what works best for your brand. Here's a real-world example. UK businesses are enhancing customer service with HeyGen avatars. Instead of endless FAQ scrolling, an avatar delivers answers in engaging videos. This saves your support team time and creates a personal experience for customers. Ready to start from scratch? Create an avatar by naming it, choosing age, gender, and ethnicity, and adding a prompt. Pick a pose, full body, upper body, or close-up, and set the orientation, like landscape or portrait. Preview, select your favorite, and save it for later. Bring your avatar to life with motion. Click Add Motion to create a 10-second animation. Make a few versions to find the best fit. Preview your avatar in action. Internal training and onboarding made easy. UK companies use avatars for consistent onboarding, safety, and compliance. Every new hire gets the same high-quality info with easy updates as your business grows. Next, head to AI Studio. Here, you can write your script, select a voice and emotion from the HeyGen library, or even upload your own audio. Preview your avatar's speech and make adjustments until it's just right. Pro tip: if you're working in landscape mode, make sure your image fills the entire screen to avoid white borders. Once you're happy with everything, hit Submit and let HeyGen render your talking avatar.
Hi there, I am your personal AI assistant speaking video avatar. What can I do for you today?
And that's it. In just a few steps, you've created a moving, talking AI avatar that can transform your business communication. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more digital creativity tips.